her to share her message, what does it mean to you, Danielle, to be representing Haiti in this World Cup?
Yeah, it means a lot to me. You know, my family is from Haiti, and knowing that I get to represent my family and also represent the country just means a lot. I know how much this means for the country during this time. So just bringing joy to the Haitian people, to my family, that it means the world to me.
You know, and you know, you're only 21, right? And you graduated college also, right?
Yes.
So what does it mean? Because some people still have doubts about college, right?
Yeah.
What does it mean for you to earn your degree, even though you're a superstar?
Yeah, I mean, I think it's important because, you know, soccer doesn't last forever. So I think that having a degree is important just so that, you know, once it's all done, I live out all my dreams, I have something else to do, and that's, you know, use my degree and help people more.
And Danielle, what would you say to young people right now who are maybe in high school, who are facing some adversities in their lives, right?
Yeah.
They want to quit, they want to give up. What do you want to say to them?
I would